Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Azim Haikal bin Abdul Rashid, and I'm a student from Bachelor in Technology Mechanical in University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Okay, so today I'm here to speak with you about your experience with safety in the engineering field. Could you tell me a little bit about your background and how you got into engineering?
Okay, Waalaikumsalam and thank you, Azim. Okay. My name is Muhammad Aizzat. I'm currently the Mechatronics engineer at SpaceIn Senja Berhad, located at Ibu Tebal, Penang. As for my background, I previously started my diploma in Mechatronics engineering in Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah. And then I further my studies in Bachelors of Mechatronics Engineering at UNT Pekan, Universiti Malaysia Pahang. And then now I am currently assigned as Mechatronics Engineer at SpaceIn Sdn Bhd, and I've been working at SpaceIn for 2 years, and now it's my third year. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Aizat. Okay, so today I'm gonna ask you a few questions about the safety. Okay, so for the first one is, in your point of view, what is job safety analysis, occupational safety and health?
Okay. The job safety analysis is the document of the possible or potential hazard and all the risks in the workplace, in the place that we are working, and also the action that we need to encounter the risk that possible to be happen, and all of that potential we need to document it, and that is the job safety analysis.
Okay. Okay, second, what safety protocols do you follow when testing new products or prototypes?
Okay, as for the safety protocols, SpaceIn is a company that developing a satellite, and we are targeting for a constellation satellite. So, which means that our main focus are on the satellites, and we are also developing and building our own ground station, which means that SpaceIn is a company that focus more on the electronics parts compared to the production or manufacturing in high or mass manufacturing in some others, for example, from some other company or factory. So as for the protocol, uh, as we are working mostly in the lab, so we are implementing a standard protocol. For example, when we are working in the clean room, we need to wear a smoke and also the hairnet. And then when we are doing our testing for the product or prototypes, we need to use the earplug for the vibration test because it is so loud, the vibration is so loud, and also we need to wear the hat, safety hat, so that no other flying objects or any incident can be happen.
Okay, thank you. So for the next question is, how do your companies prioritize safety when making decision on a project?
Okay, to prioritize the safety, we are currently implementing two or more person in one job. For in the simplest way, is a team job. We are we are trying to avoid doing a job, which means that we are trying to avoid to for one person only to do the job because we need someone to supervise what we are doing so that the risk can be lessened. And also, we are we are putting the first aid kits in all the possible and easy way to get the safe first aid kit.
Oh, okay. Next, have you ever made a mistake at work? explain how, in your capacity as a professional engineer, you are able to mitigate the consequence of the error.
Okay. Mistake in work, we are all human, so it is quite normal for us to make a mistake, but we must learn from it and not do it again. So from my experience, I make a quite a simple mistake but very risky, which is that I touch a hot and on solder, and then it makes me burn my hand, and I need to go to the clinic and get it treated. So, for example, a simple mistake like that, it was caused by because someone previously didn't turn off the plug after using the solder. So a mistake like that is very basic actually, but that's why our company are implementing a two-person to do one job, and also we are very strictly remind our workers, my colleagues, that after using the equipment, make sure to turn it off and then alert alert the team manager that we have been using that particular uh, equipment, so that the team manager can supervise and also be alert that the solder are still hot or the equipment are still on the way to turn down, so that all the other risk and hazard can be avoided. And also, as a professional engineer, this kind of mistakes uh, should be avoided because one, if, for example, if one engineers are getting injured, it will cost a lot as we need some replacement, and sometimes when we are really on the projects, when we have multiple projects, so we don't have enough workers to replace the one that get injured. So please, if or Azim, don't do the same mistake as me. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you. For the last question, what is the safety and hazard precaution do your companies practice?
Okay, as for the space, we annually have the town hall. Town hall is like, for example, at school we have an annual grand meeting. For also at the university we have that annual grand meeting, which is a big and the main meeting at the start of the year, where we will discuss this one particular topic, which is the risk and hazard, and we have that special section for this topic. Okay, in that meeting, we will compile all the incidents that have happened in the previous year, and we will discuss on how to overcome that problems and try to remove all the possible hazards for the upcoming years, so that we can make a better we can provide a better workplace for the workers, and also we can lessen all the possible incidents that can happen. Aside from that, in our office and our laboratory, we have, like I said previously, we have the first aid kit. So we will have the management team, the safety management team, to do the maintenance for the first aid kit once every month, so that it will always be prepared to be used. Okay, that's it for our company.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's all for this evening. Thank you to the Mr. Aizzat for this safety interview.
Okay, thank you. I hope you are doing well in your careers in the future.
Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Inshallah.